Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Coach unboxing. The Amazon box is gone, and this is what was in there. But it is from Amazon. I ordered it through Amazon, but as you see, it is wrapped from Coach. And once you see the bag and close-ups of the bag, then you will know which hashtag it applies to. If you all are new to my channel and you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. So you all, this is the description for it. Denim signature tabby, black denim. So this goes for Denim December. All right, hashtag Denim December is what this applies to. And it looks like they have they put tape on top of the hang tag. But it is wrapped very well. And you all, I'm not sure if you have, or if you're new to my channel, then you may not have seen the unboxing of the actual blue denim version of this bag. But y'all, between Prime Day and Black Friday and Cyber Monday, y'all, the sales, they were on point. So this particular color went on sale. I don't remember if the denim one went on sale as well or not. But this one went on sale. So I went ahead and got it to see if it's as pretty as the blue denim tabby. See how they got this strap looped on here? I believe just like before, I had to go ahead and cut it. And I'm going to look at the strap next, but I want to take a look at the bag first. And I do remember this bag, the denim one, was stuffed, just like this one. And there's the Coach satin dust bag. Every part of it was wrapped, like covered. All the hardware, it had a piece of tape or plastic or foam everywhere, which I prefer. And since this is a soft tabby, after we finish looking inside, I am going to have to put the stuffing back inside. Okay, so the inside is just a zipper pocket only, no slip pocket or anything like that. So you do have the Coach New York leather patch there. And the zipper pocket here. And with the black, it does have silver hardware. Compared to the blue denim one, it has gold hardware. I don't know why I still have this bag in my hand. So let me show you all the hang tag if I didn't already. Black denim, signature tabby, and it does match the label that was on the outside of the bag. So I'm going to put the stuffing back in here, y'all, so that it will stand up. And that should hold it just fine. And this is a look at the silver hardware for it. It does say Coach there. And there. Do I have it overstuffed? Kind of, sort of. But since it's soft, I didn't think it would be trouble to close. There we go. The glazing, it is like a cherry color, I would say, which to me adds to the bag. Just from looking at it, it's not a strong black. Like, I can tell it's black, but it's not as dark as I thought it would be, which is good because I wondered how they were going to do the contrast with the black and still have the signature C's pretty defined as well. And if I didn't say in my previous video, you all, for Denim December, it's not just denim bags only. If you have a denim colored bag or any denim textured colored bag that just kind of reminds you of denim, that can also be included with the hashtag as well. I don't know how they have this crisscrossed and taped on here, but we're gonna get it off. There we go. Okay, so it looks good. I don't see anything wrong with it. And you can't go wrong with Amazon Prime, the fast shipping for it. You saw how well wrapped that it was. We're going to take a look at the strap. And then I will go ahead and do a side-by-side as well of the blue. And you can see the clear differences of it. Last I checked, I think this was still available on Amazon. Not sure the current price for it. It kind of bounces around. Like I said, I believe I noticed it before Prime, I believe, but when I checked it Prime Day, it was for a good price. And then I checked it for Black Friday, and that was a good price. And then Cyber Monday, I want to say all 3 times was maybe the same price, or it may have been a little bit lower on Cyber Monday. I'm not sure. So the strap is black and it still has the same glazing undertone as well, that cherry looking glaze. See what I mean, y'all? Everything is like fully wrapped. Wrapped. And I remember the leather on the other ones is very soft. Where is the... I know I didn't cut it off. It should be... Oh. It's part of the buckle. I was looking for... Usually they have like a little leather piece there, but I don't believe that's the case on this strap. To hold this strap into place. But I'm going to go ahead and attach it. And I'll go ahead and do the short strap also. And then we'll be done unwrapping, y'all, because it was, like I said, very detailed wrapping on here. Which to me, I believe that helps preserve the bag, especially if it's sitting in the warehouse. To have all of these pieces wrapped so thoroughly. You don't know when it's going to be sold. And so that way, when whoever buys it receives it, in this case me, it's nothing that has like changed or weathered or anything like that, because it was wrapped so well. So shout out to Coach for doing that. I have this hooked in front of this strap. So crossbody strap has the same silver hardware there with the Coach on the side. And then the short shoulder strap for you to use. So let me go ahead and bring in the denim one so that you can see both side by side. Like I said, immediately different. The gold hardware on the denim, the blue denim versus the black denim is silver, which I think looks better. I like the combination that way. To have the silver over here, it kind of gives it more of an edge. And then the gold, to me, it complements the blue denim as well, in my opinion. And then, of course, the straps, blue on the blue denim bag and black strap on the black black denim bag. And I don't know if I went inside of this pocket or not while I was talking, but let's go ahead and look. So good size pocket. Let's see if it fits my phone. Okay, so my cell phone fits very easily back there. And my cell phone, it is, I believe it's right under 7 inches long. So good added feature to the back of the purse, especially since there's not a slip pocket inside. Only a zipper only inside. It's the thing with black, y'all. Black attracts, or it just shows lint more than regular blue denim, but I love black denim also. But that's the only difference that I saw, was just the hardware. Silver hardware here versus gold hardware on the blue denim. Same detail to all of the hardware with the Coach everywhere. But let me know in the comments, y'all, do y'all prefer the blue denim or the black denim? If you have any of these pieces from this collection in your collection, if you have any blue or if you have any black of the denim signature collection. And I believe it was released a few years ago, if I'm not mistaken. And it also, they have like a tote, as well as the backpacks and other items as well. But very beautiful collection. I'm glad that these were still available on Amazon, and I'm looking forward to carrying both of them. I think both are very, very pretty. So you all, this was another unboxing, and this one actually began Denim December, and this one is going to be a part of it. So we're actually in December, because I believe I previewed this one towards the end of November. So we're actually in December now to see another version of this bag in the black denim. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. I really do appreciate you for watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.